Hello YouTube team, my name is Ramesh. This is my YouTube channel Tamil Cinema Kadaigal. The channel was created with the aim of recording the history of Tamil film industry. I am talking about every film from the early days of Tamil cinema to today's films. This is purely educational and film history documentation. The pictures I use are photos for public use from Google, public domain or fair under commentary review. They are properly edited in the mobile processor, KineMaster. All of these videos are given voice off in my voice. No raw video or film clip to reuse. Content creation has been created in my own effort. Three times the monetization applied has been denied, but has been denied the claim of reused content. But now let me explain that this is actually original content and created on the commentary format. This is an interpretation of the content of my channel. So please inspect this video and humbly request you to provide monetization to my channel. Thank you. Thumbnail making. Tamil font typing.